The last time we learned about factors, and I believe every one of you can tell me what factors are from our previous lesson. We realized they are, what are factors? What are factors of a number?
Things that you multiply or divide to get the product.
Okay, so we could, in maths actually, so we use those as examples, and we said they are things that you multiply to get another number, right?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so the groups, I asked you to get me the factors of all these numbers. So ask your group and then you give me your answers. Which group? Factors of 1. Which people were doing that? Okay.
1.
That's 1. Sarah, 1. 2.
1 and 2.
Okay, I think I should use the black. 1 and 2. 3. 1 and 3. 4. Okay, 1, 2, and then 4. 5. 1 and 5. 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 7. 1, 2, 4, and 8. 1, 3, and then 9. One is okay. 10. Okay, 1, 2. I'm giving you guys team blue. 1, 2, 5, and 10. Next one. 1 and 11. The next one. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Next one. 13. Okay, 1 and 13. 14. 1, 2, 7, and then 14. Okay, 15. 1, 3, 5, and then 15 itself. Next one. 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16. 17. 1 and 17. 18. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and then 18. All right. 1 and 19. All right. 20. 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. I'll be giving marks for the most well-behaved group. All right. Observe your marks, your works carefully, and then on your book, circle the ones that have only 2 factors. Circle the ones that have only 2 factors. And I'll be asking you about them shortly. Okay, which team is done?
Yeah.
All right, Ednam, let's go. Okay, that's team red. Okay, Ednam. 17 has 2 factors, and 19 also have 2 factors. What about your team? 13 and then 11. All right, 13 and then. Okay, 13 and 11. All right, what's next? All right, your team. That's black. Okay, 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5, and then 7, right? Okay. Therefore, we've observed a trend from all we've done. We could see that some numbers have only 2 factors. And these numbers have a name. We call them prime numbers. Is that okay? So how then will you define prime numbers? Anyone? Okay, numbers that are multiplied by 1 in itself, or we can say numbers that have 1 and itself as a factor. All right, numbers that have 1 itself as a factor. Any other way we could put it? Any other way?
A prime number is a number that has only 2 factors.
Yeah. Okay, has only 2 factors. The 2 factors are 1 and itself. The 2 factors are 1 and itself. All right. Okay, so we could also say that, having known from the definition we gave last week, we said a factor is a number that divides evenly. Do you get that? A factor is a number that divides what? Evenly. So we could say that prime numbers are numbers that only 1 and themselves can divide them evenly. All right. So that comes to a song I saw some time ago. Say, I'm prime, Prime. My factors are only 1 and me. Numbers that divide evenly. Can we try saying it? Yeah. Okay, let's go. I'm prime, Prime. My factors are only 1 and me. Numbers that divide evenly. Ooh. Oh, that's not okay. That's how we end it. All right, so we'll learn another song in this form too. That would be, it's like a Christmas song. I will try to remix it in a beautiful way. Prime numbers have only 2 factors. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors. Oh, prime numbers have only 2 factors. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors. 2 and 3 is prime. 4 and 6 is composite. 2 and 3 is prime, and 4 and 6 is composite. Alright, so that just brings, so we'll learn it again. That just makes us know that aside prime numbers, there are other group of numbers called composite numbers. Say after me, composite numbers. Composite numbers. What do you think they are? If prime numbers have 1 and have only 2 factors, what do you think they are from the song we just learned?
Composite numbers are numbers that have more than 2 factors.
Okay, more than 2 factors. So can we sing the song now? Let's go. Prime numbers have only 2 factors. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors. Oh, prime numbers have only 2 factors. Composite numbers have more than 2 factors. 2 and 3 is prime. 4 and 6 is composite. 2 and 3 is prime, and 4 and 6 is composite. All right. So that's it for prime numbers and then composite numbers. So when we have natural numbers, also called counting numbers, they are, watch here, listen carefully. When we have natural numbers, also called counting numbers, that's from 1 to infinity. Those numbers can be grouped in 2 forms. They are either prime numbers or composite numbers. Is that okay? All right.